In today's video, we're taking you through everything there is to know about buying and selling gift cards using a platform like Binance as a case study. We'll talk about how to get started and its various use cases. We're also giving $500 in gift cards to 10 subscribers on this channel. So stick around to the end to find out all about the gift cards and how you can redeem your prize if you win one. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Be sure to hit that like button so more people can see this video and get enlightened about all this stuff. Without further ado, let's get to the video. So there are two types of gift cards that you can find on the Binance platform: the Binance gift cards and the third-party gift cards. Let's talk about them, and we'll start with the Binance gift cards. What are the Binance gift cards? We hear a lot about gift cards and it's usually never in the most favorable light. So let's start by creating some context. The Binance gift card is a prepaid voucher that you can use to carry out basic transfers and exchanges using cryptocurrencies. The best part about using this feature is that you do not necessarily need to be an avid crypto user to purchase the Binance gift card. It also comes with a long list of benefits. Once you buy a gift card, you can deposit money into another person's Binance account without any charges. With these gift cards, you get access to smooth crypto transactions that involve sending and receiving, and you also get the possibility of transacting in certain fiat currencies and some cryptocurrencies if you want. Crowning all of these great features is the fact that Binance has designed this to cost zero fees for the transactions. So how do you buy and sell gift cards? Now that we understand the general idea, let's talk about how you can get these gift cards. While it's a pretty straightforward process, you must have a verified Binance account and at least one currency value in your spot wallet. I've had previous videos about verifying your Binance account and funding your wallet with the P2P method. You can check out these videos with the card up above or with the link in the description below. If you don't have a verified account or you don't know how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies already, those videos should come in handy. But moving on, for those who already have a verified Binance account, here are the steps that you need to follow. First, from the homepage of the app, head to the profile tab or click the avatar icon and then click on the gift card from the list. You should also find the pay feature, which is another interesting feature that we've discussed on the channel that allows you to make payments for a massive range of things and third-party gift cards, which we'll come to later. Once you click the gift card option, you'll see the gift card page with a short list of card options and styles to select. You get regular token gift cards like USDT, BNB, Doge, and BTC, and clicking on all here at the top shows you other gift cards from popular cryptocurrencies that you might want to check out. On the other hand, you get themed gift cards for different occasions. This depends on the year seasons like Valentine's, New Year's, and there's also some more when you click on the view all to reveal others like happy birthday gift cards, congratulations, and many more themed gift cards. And these gift cards, of course, will be updated with new designs as the season changes. Now you can select any themed gift card or token. And one thing I find very interesting here is that even if you choose a token you do not have in your wallet, you can easily convert it directly in this section. It will exchange based on the rate at the time of your transaction. And as I mentioned, you'll need funds in your Binance wallet for this to work. And you need to have at least one currency value in your app. You can put whatever amount you want on the gift card as long as you have that amount in your wallet. So we'll try to send a gift card to someone, and let's say we pick USDT for instance. It just shows you how much you have either on your spot wallet or your funding wallet, for which I have some currency value. I can choose if I want the value of my gift card to come from either one of my wallets, and I can even choose the portion or the percentages of each wallet. Let's say I wanted to send a BTC gift card for instance, which I don't have value for in this wallet. It shows as 0, and I can click the transfer icon to make it transfer or convert from USDT to BTC. Okay, let's try to send a $50 gift card to someone, which I'm actually going to do when you win one. I'll simply punch in the amount for the gift card, click buy now, and then confirm. After this, you need to complete a 2-factor authentication. And for this, I had to get a code from my phone number and my email before this transaction was verified. This confirms your purchase, and now you can either keep this gift card or redeem the token later on. So the money goes back to your chosen wallet, either your spot or funding wallet, or you can even send it to someone as a gift. Okay, what if you want to send your gift card to someone? Binance offers some options for sending your gift cards to other people. You can send it either via text message, email, or directly to the receiver's Binance account. If you decide to send via text message, Binance generates a unique redemption code that you will send to the recipient. As a plus, Binance also helps you develop an auto-generated message that contains a referral link that gets you a bonus if the recipient still needs to get a Binance Binance account. They can sign up using this link, and when they do, you get to make a commission, which is fantastic. You can either copy just the redemption code or the entire text. For the email version, you must impute the email of the person that you want to send the gift card to. So you write the name, and you can also add an optional message and click send. You can also preview to ensure all your details are correct before hitting that send button. Suppose they're sending directly to the Binance account of the recipient. In that case, you will need their registered email or their registered phone number that they have on Binance. And in a matter of seconds, the recipient will receive a notification that they've been sent a gift card. And immediately after they redeem it, you will get a notification. It was quite fascinating how seamless and instant everything was, especially if you ran the transaction from one Binance account to another Binance account, verified ones. All right, let's talk about redemption. Whatever method the sender has chosen to send the gift card to you, you will also need a verified Binance account to redeem this gift card. The most important thing here is the redemption code attached to the message you receive. If you get a gift card via SMS, the message you should receive would look like this. If it's via email, the email should look something like this, with the value of the gift card and the details you need to redeem this gift card. If the sender has sent it directly to your Binance account, you will receive both an email notification and a Binance app notification. To redeem, open the Binance app and go to the profile section. Here you click on gift card. At the bottom of the screen, you see the redeem option next to this plus sign. On clicking redeem, it takes you to a new page where you can either convert the card straight to fiat, which would be your local currency, or you can redeem it and hold it in crypto there on Binance. Before you do any of that, you can look out for the small text here that lets you check the value of the gift card, and pasting the code should show you just how much that gift card is worth. If you select to redeem via crypto, you simply get the page to paste your code, and clicking redeem will send it either to your spot wallet or to your funding wallet on Binance. If you want to go the other route to redeem via fiat or local currency, you will have to paste the code and click on next, where you will get a step to trade that gift card immediately via Express P2P, where you will get matched for someone to make a transfer to your bank account, or regular P2P where you can explore more rates. If you want to be one of the 10 people who win $50 worth of Binance gift card in our $500 gift card pool, all you have to do is download the Binance app with my link in the description. You'll also need to fill the form in the description below, and we'll select 10 people at the end of the month who will walk home with $50 each. All right, that's that on Binance gift cards. What of the other gift cards? The other kind of gift cards are actually more popular. They are the third-party gift cards. So this is like the Apple gift card, the PlayStation gift card, Steam, and many others. To access this, you need to go to the pay section of the Binance app from your profile, and you can scroll down to see options, or you can head to the homepage of the app and swipe down heavily to show you the Binance Marketplace, which also has similar third-party platforms and deals. Here you see the live on crypto section with several other merchants like Bitrefill, Coinsgate, Coinsbee, Crypto Refills, and many others. On a merchant like Bitrefill, for instance, you can pay for your airtime, you can pay for electricity and television bills. You can also get gift cards from sites like Jumia and even shopping malls like Just Right, Spar, O&O Gadgets for tech items, etc. There are also gift cards for clothing brands like ASOS and more local ones. There's gaming gift cards for PUBG, Xbox, Roblox, Minecraft, and numerous other gift cards. Other third-party merchants like Coinsbee will even sell you Apple gift cards for your App Store or iTunes, and even gift cards for Amazon. This is just one of many examples, and you can explore all these services and see what you like. Say I want to buy an iTunes gift card, for instance. I can go on one of these merchants like Coinsbee. I can search for their App Store and iTunes gift cards, and I choose the one I want to buy. Let's say I write $200, for instance, which should give me $200 worth of gift cards. I'll see the final amount with some charges, of course, they are third party, and then I add it to cart, and I'll need to add the email of the gift card recipient, and I click buy now. Doing this will bring up my Binance wallet and let me choose which wallet I want to use for my purchase, either my spot or my funding wallet. Again, I'll need to enter my Binance Pay PIN, and once that is done and it's successful, I'll receive an email from Binance that, hey, a third-party retailer has taken money from you, and then I'll get an email from the third-party retailer as well with my gift card. If you want to know everything about how to buy and sell crypto via the P2P method, check out this video. Over 800,000 people have seen it, and it's very useful. See you there.